Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today I wanted to do something that went with this army green jumpsuit that I have on. So I went with like a copper lid with a cut crease, and I added a pop of green to the under eye. So that is what I felt like would be like a nice easy neutral look that could go with this. You guys let me know what you think about this look below. Also continue to like, share, and subscribe, and if you are interested then please continue to watch. Have a good day. Bye bye. I'm going to go in with this Chestique stick. It is a mini matte blur stick, and I'm going to use this in the areas where I have huge pores. So let's go ahead and go into our Fenty Pro Filter foundation. This is in the color 340. I actually wear 380, but I don't know where my 380 is, so we're just going to wear this right now. I got my brush, and we're going to just go ahead and blend this in. I'm going to follow up with my sponge. So quickly highlighting contour, we're going to go in with the matchsticks from Fenty. For the highlight, we're using Caramel. Warm the product up on your hand. It's nearly my complexion, so it's really a little too dark, but I'm going to go in with another liquid one to add to it. Then we're going to go in with this is called Truffle. Warm it up on the back of the hand, and then let's go ahead and blend this out because this also dries really quickly. Use a stippling brush to blend the contour. So this is my stippling brush. So to set, I'm going to go in with my Sacha Buttercup powder. This is my favorite powder to highlight. Right, so that is good. Now that that is setting in, I'm going to go ahead and start to bronze for my contour. So to contour, we're going in with the CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer. I'm going in with this It's My Ray Ray BH Cosmetics brush, and it's the #1 brush. Go ahead and start to blend away the powder. Dust everything away. I like to just dust a little bit of the powder on here and just dust around my face. Go into this blending brush here, and we're going to go into this color called Culture. This is the BH Cosmetics Perception Palette, and I'm going to put Culture all over the lid. Okay, that's perfect. So now after we add culture, I'm gonna go ahead and go into this color here called Played Out, and I'm going to add that right on the outer V. So now we're going to go in with this natural hair brush with no product on it to blend away any harsh lines. I have a little bit of concealer left on the back of my hand, and I'm going to use that just for the front of the eye. So this concealer here, we're going to use that flat concealer brush we use to clean up the brows. Go from right here where your eye starts to curve. From there, follow your natural eye curve. Everybody's eye curve is different. Okay, so that's good how we have it right now. Then I'm going to go ahead and go into that played out color that we used on the outer V, and we're going to go into what kind of brush is this? A taper brush, and just trace right above the line we created. Now that that's done, we're going to go ahead and go in with a flat brush, and we're going to apply one of the shimmer colors on the lid. So this palette has a lot of nice shimmers. Since this is an everyday kind of look, we can go ahead and go into this color here called Diva. I'm sorry, yes, Diva? Yeah, Diva. We're going to go into Diva. And I'm using a flat concealer brush. This is a BH Cosmetics brush. It doesn't have a number, but it's this flat brush here. So to blend those in, we're going to go ahead and mix the color Played Out and the color Culture. So Culture and Played Out. And then we're going to just blend that. Now I'm going to get the big fluffy brush, and we're going to just blend away the excess powders here. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with Unbothered, which is this color here, and this is like a dual palm color, and that's going to be the brow highlight. So I'm going to go on with my finger and go in with Spill the Tea right here. Blend this in without adding extra product. I'm going to go into Unbothered as the inner corner highlight. I'm like, boring. So I'm going to go ahead and go into this eye pencil from Maybelline. It's a waterproof pencil, and it's a soft nude color for the inner corner. For the waterline. And then to add some pop of color, I'm going to go into this green color, and that's going to be underneath the eye. This brush here, it's like a flat brush that is good to go underneath the eye. with my liner, and I'm going in with this NYX matte liner. Cool, now I'm gonna go ahead and go into this Brow Stylist Framing Set and go over my brows because I can't with the pencil. It's just not for my brows. I'm gonna clean these brows up. Now I'm going in with the Lash Paradise Mascara from L'Oreal. So for now, we're going to go ahead and go in with the blush. I have my box of crayons palette, and I'm going to go over this green underneath the eye with the green in this palette. And this is green here. It's a matte color. For the lip, I'm going in with Choco Meal from Sinful Colors. And for the lipstick, I'm going in with Quickie from Shayla ColourPop. Maybelline Driver in the middle. Then I'm going to go into Meat Free Gloss from the Shayla ColourPop collection. Just looks a little unblended to me, so I'm going to go in with Culture and just blend that out. Alright beauty, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Oh my gosh, we had some snags and the look was just not coming out how I wanted it to, so I just had to do some different things to get it to work, but this is what we finally came out with, and I think it's really cute. It goes with this army green jumpsuit that I have on, has a nice pop of green and just a neutral easy cut crease that is just nice for an everyday look. But you guys let me know what you feel about this look below. Please also continue to like, share, and subscribe so we can continue to grow. Thank you so much for your support. I appreciate you guys so much, and have a wonderful night. Bye bye.